Previously on the Sweet Life on Deck.
Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Illinois: Champaign, Coles, Douglas, Edgar, Moultrie, Piatt, and Vermilion. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. Saturday to 6 a.m. Sunday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 5 and 8 inches. Where? Piatt, Shelby, Champaign, Coles, Douglas, Edgar, Moultrie, and Vermilion counties. When? From 6 a.m. Saturday to 6 a.m. Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Illinois can be obtained on the internet at www.gettingaroundillinois.com.
Okay, stop moving the farm. How did you get in that tire? Oh, when the tornado hit, it was the nearest thing I could hide in. Plus, it's black, so it goes with everything.